When working with Python lists, there are many situations where we don't need the entire list. We just want a specific section. Now, let's say we are managing a vehicle rental system and we only want the first few vehicles for one customer or a middle portion for another customer. The technique we use to pull out a specific range of elements from a list is called slicing. If you've already learned how slicing works with strings, you'll be happy to know that list slicing uses the same rules. So let's start with the example of a list of vehicles. So here you see vehicles, and we have added car, bike, bus, truck, scooter, van, jeep, etc. as the list elements. Now I want you to meet Alice and Alan as well. They both work at the Vehicle Service Center. Alice handles the first 5 vehicles for quick service, and Alan handles the next 5 vehicles that require full inspection. Now, we'll use slicing to split this list based on what each of them is responsible for. So, starting with the basic slicing syntax, the slicing format is slice, start index, colon, end index. The start index is included and the end index is excluded. You go up to but don't include it. That is the end index. Now let's look at Alice vehicles, which are the first 5. So we start from index 0 and go up to but not including index 5. So it gives us car, bike, bus, truck and scooter. So that is index 0, 1, 2, 3 till 4. So we don't include 5. Next, let's look at Alan's vehicles, which are the next 5. So Alan's range starts at the index 5 and ends before the index 10. So here you see Alan's vehicles are from the index 5 but before the index 10. So we have van, jeep, auto, sports car and fire truck. Now, Python also allows us to omit the start or the end index to make slicing cleaner. So we can use shortcuts in slicing. Now, Alice list using shorthand. Let's see the first example where we have Alice list using shorthand. So, since we don't mention a start index here, Python assumes it's 0. Similarly, for Alan's list using shorthand, if we don't mention the end index, Python goes up to the end of the list. Now, if we want to make a full copy of the list, so this creates a new list. That's a full copy of the vehicles list where we don't specify the start or the end index and we just give the colon. Next, let's look at negative index slicing. We can also slice using negative numbers, which count from the end of the list. Now to get the last 3 vehicles, we'll give last underscore 3 is equal to vehicles minus 3 colon. So we get the last 3 vehicles, which is auto, sports car and fire truck. Now if we want to get all the vehicles except the last 2, so then we give all except last 2 is equal to vehicles colon and index we give minus 2. So here we get all the vehicles except the last 2. So car, bike, bus, truck, scooter, van, jeep, auto, but excluding the last 2. Next, if we want to add a step in slicing, so let's look at this. You can also provide a third value called the step, which tells Python how many times to skip. For example, if we have list, then this is a syntax start, end, and we mention the step. So if we want to get every second vehicle, so we give every underscore second is equal to vehicles colon colon, we give the step value as 2. And if we want to get every third vehicle, we give the step value as 3. So let's look at a quick summary. Slicing helps us to pull out a part of a string using the start and the end. The start index is included, the end index is excluded. If you leave out the start, it starts from 0. If you leave out the end, it goes to the end of the list. A third value step allows you to skip elements. Negative indices count from the end of the list.